Shamim Mohammed, Executive Vice President and Chief Information and Technology Officer at CarMax, says these kinds of use cases deliver the most business value when they are done in a controlled manner. CarMax has prioritized governance, which may not feel like the most exciting aspect of generative AI but is key to scaling it. The company has created an AI governance team dedicated to ensuring teams across the organization are using AI appropriately. The key is that this team is not charged with simply saying no to new use cases. Part of its mission to help scale impactful applications across the enterprise by standardizing how models are trained and used. The goal is that generative AI is used beyond just technology or product teams. We've done a lot of cool things through machine learning and AI, says Mohammed. I'm focused on now is ensuring we're using it in a responsible manner and making sure that, as a company, whatever we deploy, it's being done in ways that are consistent with our core values. Generative AI has altered the copyright landscape. Now anyone can create images, video, text, and audio with a few clicks. However, some models have been trained on content that comes from third parties. One court recently ruled that this makes AI-generated content ineligible for copyright protection. 21 Additionally, training models on copyrighted material scraped from the web may present legal risks, including intellectual property infringement. 22. However, these don't have to be problems. The content provider Shutterstock, for one, has shown that it is possible to use generative AI in ways that both respect the rights of the original copyright holder and ensure that high-generated content can be used for commercial purposes. Shutterstock recently unveiled an image-generating tool that creates visuals based on users' prompts. Like other image generators, the tool was trained on images created by third-party artists. However, unlike other image generators, every artist whose work was used in training the model agreed ahead of time to participate. Participating artists are also paid when their work is used to train a model and when a user licenses an image generated on the platform. Shutterstock licenses its content as data, which allows it to offer added legal protections to end users. Everyone is creating content, from CEOs to folks who work in retail, says Michael Francello, Director of Innovation at Shutterstock. The need to create content was absolutely exploding. We saw an early opportunity to look at our content as data that could train generative AI models. It's about protecting the core of our business, but also respecting the core, which is the artists and the contributors. 23.